Hello everyone. A warm good afternoon to all of you. This is me, Tapash Kumar Pradhan, a student from the political science. I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. How are everyone? I hope you are fine, fit, and well. As you know that we are in a continuation of the paper analysis of EGCNet, the category of the political science, both paper 1 and political science paper 2. So successfully we cover the few of paper analysis, and I will discuss with you in this session regarding a topic from the paper 1 like environment and people, environment and development from the unit 9 of your paper 1. So without delay, let's get start of our discussion. So we will discuss today the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals. Along with we will discuss the related the evolution of this initiative, and we discuss the primary pollutant and the secondary pollutant. Okay, so let's start without delay. SDG, you all of us know that the Sustainable Development Goal. Okay, so it has the 17 goals and 169 targets. I am not going to repeat the 17 goals because you very well know, but thing in that, guys, you have to remember the each and every goals, that because they ask the question in a match of the followings. Like the first is like first goal is like your the hungry, okay, sorry, the poverty. You can remember this thing through a like a story. So first like a Rama. So Rama is a very basically poverty, okay. Due to he poverty, he basically like require the food to eat because he hungry. If he get food, he became well-being. After he became well-being, he will be go to the what, the institution, get the knowledge, that he will educated. Then after he educated, he will learn the gender equality. The fifth goal is like gender equality. Sixth goal, if he know the gender equality, then he will not say his sister to bring water for him. He will not say his sister to bring water for him. Then seventh goal is all about, if water there is energy, there will be energy. Then eighth goal is like, if there is energy, there is a growth, and productions. Then ninth goal is about, if there is a growth and production, there will be infrastructure, there will be development. If ninth goal is that infrastructure development, there is a 10th goal which talk about the there will be a inequality. If there will be infrastructure, there will be inequality. Industry means inequality, okay. Then your basically 11th goal is like a sustainable city, 11 goals. Then 12th goal is about your, if there is a city, people will live. And 12th goal is about your, there will be a production and consumptions, okay. 12th goal is production and consumptions. Then 13th goal, if there is a consumption, there will be a climate change, there will be a climate action. 13 is climate actions. And the 14 and 15, which is something different. 14 talk about life below the water. Yes guys, life below the water. And 15 is like life on the land. And 16 goals is like peace and your justice. Yes guys, peace and justice. Then 17 goal is like global partnership. So this is how 17 goal you can remember through this story. So I am going to tell you quickly the important, the pollutant, okay, primary pollutant, what are the, and secondary pollutant. So so primary pollutant, that pollutant which basically are from a source, from a particular source, that are called as a primary pollutant. What are the primary pollutant? SPM, suspended particle matter, oxidation of carbon, hydrocarbon, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, CFC and lead. So these are the your primary pollutant, okay. Then secondary pollutant, the pollutant which is created by the chemical reaction of the two pollutant, the primary pollutant, that will be caused as the secondary pollutant. For example, your smog formations, sulfur, smog. Within smog there is a London smog, there is a basically photochemicals, okay. So here there is a one concept you have to understand, the ozone. There are the two type of ozone. One is like bad ozone, another one is the good ozone. So bad ozone and good ozones. So guys, my teacher tell me or teach me that the trick to remember this thing is like TS, Toshiba Shukla. So Toshiba is like your bad, Shukla is like good. Toshiba means troposphere, the ozone which is in troposphere, in the ground level ozone, that is bad for us. But the ozone which is in the tropospheres, in the stratosphere, that will be the good level ozone. So that is how TS, Toshiba means the bad, Shukla means your good. That means the ozone which is stay in the stratosphere, that is good level ozones, but the ozone which is lies in the troposphere, that is bad level ozone. Yes guys, you heard correct things. So this is how the things. The thing is that guys, this is for the environment topic, which I basically think that it will explain, it should explain to you, because it will be clear to you. So as you know that usually we have a 5 bonus question each day. So also in this day we are going to discuss this 5 question. So without delay, let's get started. So guys, as you know that the PTBT, partial test band TT, or limited test band TT, which was created in 1963, but who among the following is not signed by this? Option is like USSR, UK, USA and France. So who was not signed? So it is not signed by the France. Who not signed? The France, but India signed it, do you remember? Then who was the first prime minister of the Great Britain? Who was the first prime minister of Great Britain? Option like Spencer, Crompton, Robert Walpole, William Cavendish, William Pitt. So Robert Walpole is the first prime minister of the Great Britain. Yes guys, Robert Walpole is the first prime minister of the Great Britain. So far so the USA Constitution is concerned. So what is the timeline of a Philadelphia Convention of the Constitution of USA? Yes guys, what is the timeline of a Philadelphia Convention of the Constitution of USA? That is 1783 to 1787. That is the correct answer, 1783 to 1787. Then last not the least, a Lodwala question for you. Hugo Grotius was a desk French jurist or English specialist in law, German, Chinese law, or jurist or Dutch jurist. Answer is Dutch jurist. So this kind of question your SSB, political science, Odisha, they ask. So those are preparing for that. You have to be keep in your mind while you're preparing that which thinker belong to whom. Who are the basically leading figure of which constitutions, when the one constitution came to pictures, who is not part of the which agreement signed in which year. So this is how they basically make the question. So this is all about from my side for this small effort for the today. I hope it is crystal clear to you, and if you like my effort, do subscribe, do press the bell icon, that you will not miss such kind of precious video, and do share with your friend, because sharing is always caring. Thank you guys, have a nice day.